first step is to remove the wheel from the vehicle. Next, apply leak detection fluid to locate any air loss. In order to permanently repair the tyre, we need to remove the tyre from the wheel. Remove any object from the tyre and prepare the tyre for the repair patch. Once the adhesive is dried, apply the repair patch. If required, fit a new valve and refit the tyre back onto the wheel. Inflate the tyre to the required pressure. Double check the repair to ensure the repair has been successful. Rebalance the wheel. Refit the wheel to the vehicle. And the final step is to tighten the wheel bolts to the correct torque.